How to hide following list on TikTok. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can hide following list on TikTok. The first thing you want to do is launch open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the horizontal lines at the top right corner and here select settings and privacy. Once you get to settings and privacy, you will find a privacy option. Go ahead and tap that. Now, you want to find the following list option, select that. Right now, it must be set to everyone, which means everyone can view your following list. You simply want to select only me. Once you do that, only you will be able to see the people that you're following without making your entire profile private. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.